Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in today's video what I want to be sharing with you is how you can make money by listening to songs. Okay, so if you're a music lover and you listen to music on a day-to-day basis, you can actually make money by simply listening to music. Okay, so basically in a nutshell, this is a website so there are a few ways that you can make money with this website. So the first way is to become a creator. So the people that spend a lot of money on this website are usually like artists themselves that want to promote their like songs, and obviously that money is going somewhere, and where that money is going is for the people that are the curators that basically own playlists. So they basically create their own playlist and listen to songs of these artists and get paid. Now this is not like, you're not getting paid pennies, you're literally getting paid up to $12 for each song. So you can actually make some nice side hustle just with this website alone. You can make a really nice side hustle. It's not going to make you rich, it's not going to make you a millionaire, but it is going to add, it's going to give you, a couple of hundred, maybe a couple of hundred a month. Think about it. If you're listening to like 10 songs and you're getting paid $12, that's $120 for 10 songs. And how long does it take to listen to a song? Not that long. Okay, so it's a good way to make an extra income online. Also, I think they have an affiliate program, and that's another way that you can make money with this website as well. But the only requirement that you need for to qualify basically for listening to songs and getting paid to listen to songs is you need to have a Spotify account that has a following of 400 people. Okay, so I'm sure there are ways to do it, like I think there's Facebook groups that like do like follow for follow, like when you follow someone and then they follow you kind of thing. Or you can just grow it in other ways, like promote your Spotify account or whatever, get your friends to follow you, tell your friends about it, get them to follow you, and etc, etc. So but you do basically need those 400 followers in order to get your account approved. And once your account is approved, then you can start making some money, just for listening to songs. Like literally, you're just, what you usually do, you're getting paid for. So I think it's pretty cool, guys. Something that you want to check out. And also, like I said, they have an affiliate program as well. So when you refer people to the website, also there's a way to earn commissions with that. I'm not sure how the commissions work, like how much money you get paid for that, but I know that you get paid by referring other people and if they use the service. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe. It's just a quick video on another way that you can get paid. And if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in more videos. Take care.